and welcome to another edition of Jamaica Magazine. I'm Jabertha Atkinson and I'll be your guide on today's journey. We have an informative and engaging program lined up just for you.
From sunrise on the beach to sunsets in the hills, Jamaica is more than a place. It's a vibe. It's the rhythm in our music, the flavor in our food, and the pride in our people. It's how we celebrate life. Bold, proud, and full of energy. From yard to abroad, once you feel it, you know Jamaica is a vibe. Let's keep it positive. Let's keep it proud. Let's keep it Jamaican, because Jamaica is a vibe.
Thanks for staying with us right here on Jamaica Magazine. We begin in Jamaica's eastern region, where development, innovation, and community support continue to take center stage. Let's take a look at the latest happenings.
Welcome to Eastern Roundup. My name is Charlton McFarlane, CEO of the Universal Service Fund. Come with us.
Hello, from the historic parish of St. Mary, home of the heroic Chief Taki. I'm your host, Michaela Anderson Gordon. Let's highlight the most impactful stories across eastern Jamaica. Agriculture Minister pledges $30 million to revive egg industry. Schools across the region braced for the shake during Earthquake Awareness Month. St. Mary Traffic Court hosts first traffic symposium, and St. Thomas-based schools receive devices from USF through advocacy from JIS. Let's get into it.
Minister of Agriculture, Fisheries and Mining, Honorable Floyd Green, has committed $30 million to help revive Jamaica's egg industry following the impact of Hurricane Melissa in October 2025. The funding will support rebuilding the hatchery and constructing a pullet house at the College of Agriculture, Science and Education, CASE, in Portland. Speaking at CASE's Founders Weekend on January 31, the minister noted that due to Hurricane Melissa, there was a loss of over 440,000 birds, more than 40% of the national egg industry.
I'm pleased to announce today that I'm committing $30 million to the College of Agriculture, Science and Education to rebuild the hatchery and to build a pullet house, so that we can produce more layers to help drive the resuscitation of our egg industry.
January was observed as Earthquake Awareness Month under the theme Resilient Jamaica, We Weather the Storm and Brace for the Shake. As part of the observance, schools across the region conducted earthquake drills to strengthen preparedness and emergency response among students and staff. JIS News was on location at the St. Mary Technical High School and Seaside Primary School in Portland during these exercises. The drills were led by the Parish Disaster Coordinator, the Jamaica Fire Brigade, and school administrators. During the exercise, students demonstrated improved response times by quickly dropping to their knees and hands, covering their heads and necks, and taking shelter under sturdy furniture. Scores of St. Mary residents and road users benefited from a traffic symposium hosted by the St. Mary Parish Court on January 8, aimed at improving road safety and legal compliance. Held under the theme Share the Road, Empowering Traffic Users, the forum allowed participants to get information, ask questions, and address outstanding traffic matters. CEO of the Court Administration Division, Trisha Cameron Anglin, explained that the high number of unresolved traffic tickets in the parish affects individuals, businesses, and the wider community. She described the symposium as an investment in safer roads and economic growth.
So for a parish like St. Mary, where transportation is critical to commerce, to agriculture, tourism, and daily life, road safety and compliance directly affect economic activity.
The Ina Barclay Academy of Excellence and Lloyd's Basic School in St. Thomas have benefited from an initiative by the Jamaica Information Service, JIS, Morants Bay Regional Office in partnership with the Universal Service Fund, USF. Tablets and laptops were handed over to the schools on January 23, one day ahead of International Day of Education, which is observed on January 24. Manager for JIS Morant Bay, Nayoka Linton, in her address at the presentation ceremony, said that as the government's information arm, it is crucial for the JIS to promote and participate in the ongoing digital transformation.
So we thought it important that we don't leave these children behind, and the Universal Service Fund, of course, coming on board, helping to bridge the digital divide.
With the USF's mandate to drive the advancement of digital technology throughout Jamaica, CEO Charlton McFarlane expressed hope that Jamaicans will move from being just consumers of technology to being producers.
It is my dream that one day Jamaica will not only be using the technology that comes out of the US and come out of China and come out of South Korea. No. One day I want Jamaica to use the technology that comes out of Jamaica.
And that's a wrap on this edition of Eastern Roundup. For more information on these and other stories, visit our website at www.jis.gov.jm or follow us on our social media pages. Join us again next time for another update on Eastern Jamaica. I'm your host, Michaela Anderson Gordon. Thanks for watching.
Hi, I'm Landy. Welcome to NLA Connect, the National Land Agency's customer engagement platform. NLA Connect is a simple, user-friendly platform designed to help you share your feedback, get support, and updates about land-related matters. Available 24/7, NLA Connect allows you to share suggestions, comments, and commendations, submit queries and report issues, attach files with your requests, track requests and get real-time status updates, connect with NLA client engagement officers, and provide feedback on the service received by the platform. We're making it easier for you to connect with us. You can access NLA Connect via our website, using the kiosk at any of our offices or scanning the QR code displayed at our locations. Need any help along the way? Check out our FAQs section. It has all the answers you need in one location. NLA Connect, your voice, our priority.
Skills training remains a powerful driver of opportunity and economic growth. Up next, we explore how the Heart NSTA Trust vocational training centers in St. Anne and Trelawney are preparing trainees with practical skills and pathways to meaningful employment.
A vibrant melting pot of flavors, culture, and opportunity. Jamaica. A well-seasoned pot bubbling with promise. This island blends breathtaking beauty with the rich essence of its people. Beyond its golden coastlines and emerald hills, a new recipe for success is being crafted. One of education, skill building, and transformation. Through the Heart NSTA Trust, the youth are finding the right ingredients to stir their futures and rise to their full potential. In a quaint town in Trelawney, the Falmouth VTC continues to play a pivotal role in developing a skilled workforce in Trelawney and surrounding areas. The center offers training, assessment, and certification across a diverse range of programs aimed at equipping individuals with practical skills for employment and entrepreneurship.
I am Odette Brown, Regional Director for Region 3, which includes the parishes of St. Anne and Trelawney. We have 3 institutions: the Hart College of Hospitality Services, the Falmouth campus, and the Beach and
Much like a chef curates the finest ingredients for a masterpiece dish, the Hart NSTA Trust ensures that each institution offers specialized training tailored to industry needs, preparing young Jamaicans for successful careers.
In Region 3, we have a number of specialized programs. At our Hart College of Hospitality Services, for example, we have the Pro Chef program. This program is in partnership with the Culinary Institute of America, and from that program we have executive chefs and pastry chefs. We also have a culinary technology program, which is recently new, but it's a very interesting program that caters to persons who want to delve a little bit into the science of food.
All our labs are equipped with digital tools and equipment designed to enhance our training and delivery system. And I am excited to tell you about our digital construction STEAM lab. This STEAM lab will be fully equipped with computers, 3D printers, and a plotter. Here, our trainees will be allowed to design construction models. They'll do so repeatedly until perfect. They will print their designs. Then they will go out in the manual construction lab. This will allow our trainees to be more equipped and also marketable in building physically and also digitally.
Innovation is the secret spice. Digital tools and emerging technologies are blended into training programs, ensuring students stay ahead in a rapidly evolving job market.
So as Regional Director, there are a number of strategies that we put in place to ensure that persons along the parishes are informed of the programs that we offer. So it is in fact a multifaceted approach that we use. We have community engagement, and that include fairs, job fairs that we would have, career talks within schools. We also use the traditional media, which is the flyers and the brochures, especially for those communities that do not have the internet. We're also involved a lot into meeting with parents and community groups to share on a one-to-one the benefit of TVET and what TVET can do.
We take a proactive approach in linking our trainees to employment opportunities. This is done through our internship program, where we maintain a close relationship with our partners in providing jobs for our trainees. We also have our job placement program. We work closely with the parish operations. We also have our graduate tracking program and our alumni association.
My name is Nicola Tolo. I am a proud graduate of the Beechamville Vocational Training Center in St. Anne. I have completed training in Allied Health, Geriatric Care Level 3, Customer Service Level 2. These qualifications have assisted me greatly in pursuing higher training in patient care. I am also certified in Business Administration Management, Training and Assessment Level 4, as well as being a part of the Teach for Heart initiative, which is the first cohort where I am currently an instructor at this institution.
We ensure that we meet the demands of the industry. Our TVET programs are designed for industry, and so it's very important that we are in constant communication with industry to ensure that their needs are met. And so there are various ways in which we do that. Our curriculum that we use, that is focused, that's industry-led. So we ensure that the industry is a part of the curriculum that is being taught. So as we develop that curriculum, the industry is a part of that. We also have advisory groups that come into us from time to time to provide the guidance that we need in the implementation of our programs and what we need to ensure that the gap that is industry is being filled.
From the cool hills of Claremont, let's head north to Runaway Bay, a picturesque coastal town located on the north coast of Jamaica in the parish of St. Anne. Known for its crystal clear waters, white sandy beaches, and laid-back charm, it is both a tourism hotspot and a growing center for culinary exploration. Home of the Hart College of Hospitality Services, situated on a scenic 10-acre property overlooking the Caribbean Sea at Cardiff Hall. The campus features the Cardiff Hotel and Spa, a 52-room facility that serves as a training ground for students, providing real-world experience in hotel operations.
Providing support to the staff within the region is very critical, and there are a number of ways that I try to do so. So capacity building is one such. I try to ensure that the team here is capacitated to be able to carry out their functions, whether it is instructional or it is administratively. Secondly, I ensure that we have the necessary infrastructure to be able to carry out the TVET training. So that speaks to equipment and resources that are required. Another way that I provide support is firstly, and this should have been mentioned first, is to provide the strategic vision for the team here. Having gotten the vision from the corporate office, that vision now is communicated to my team below, where we try to ensure that that which the organization wants to achieve is done at the local level. And so providing that direction and positioning of the institutions to meet workforce needs is something that I really help the institutions in the region to do. And finally, in terms of program management, evaluation, that is something that's very important, because I think that for TVET to happen, we not only have to have the right resources, and we not only expect our instructors to instruct, but the necessary monitoring and evaluation of those programs are critical. And that is a part of what I do to ensure that we meet the targets that we are given.
From the warmth of a bustling kitchen to the precision of a construction site, from the heart of the classroom to the hands that shape a nation, the Heart NSTA Trust is stirring success and serving up futures filled with promise. Be smart. Choose Heart.
On the board this week, the Ministry of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport invites you to the finale of its Reggae Month festivities. On March 1, come out to the Dancehall Street Parade, starting at 6 p.m. on the streets of Kingston. The carousing after party kicks off at 8 p.m. For more information, visit the Jamaica Cultural Development Commission's social media pages at JCDC Jamaica. Attention Path beneficiaries. The Ministry of Labour and Social Security, in partnership with UNICEF, is providing a special cash benefit to support breastfeeding mothers and children in parishes most affected by Hurricane Melissa. Eligible beneficiaries in St. Anne, Trelawney, St. James, Hanover, Westmoreland, St. Elizabeth and Manchester are reminded that payments are being made via NCB cash cards or at Paymaster locations until March 6, 2026. For more information, call 876-967-0889. Hope Gospel Assembly Church invites you to its church march under the theme Jesus for Jamaica, Jamaica for Jesus. Join us on Sunday, March 1, 2026, starting at 3:30 p.m. The march begins at Sovereign Center and proceeds to Jamaica College, culminating in a mass rally at 5 p.m. Come be part of this march of righteousness and renewal, calling Jamaica to return to God.
Kingston Technical High School presents a charity gospel concert. Join us on April 18, 2026 at 82 Hanover Street on the school grounds for a night of worship and community. Performances by the Jamaica Constabulary Force Choir, Joshua McDonald, Haikaya Jones, the KC Band, and more, hosted by Markland Edwards. Tickets, students with ID, $1,500, adults, $3,000. All proceeds will support the restoration of the school's B block. For more information, call 876-922-1170. And that's all for community notices this Saturday. If you have a community event to share on our notice board, give us a call at 876-922-8680 or email jabertha.atkinson@jis.gov.jm.
As the gears keep turning on this, the last day of Reggae Month, we honor the soundtrack of a nation and a genre that has carried Jamaica's voice to the world.
From deep within the archives, on reels no longer supported by the platforms of a technological modernization in the transmission of sounds and images, comes the story of a people and their relationship with the music they have bred.
Reggae! Reggae music is bass, brother. Yes, sir. Reggae music is roots. Not the dread. Yes, sir. Is our kind of music that, brother? What me say?
If reggae can ever be edged to a set place, then 13 Brentford Road is its home. It was here at Studio One in 1968 that Rocksteady briefly went back 20 years, married the folk rhythms of Mento, and gave birth to reggae.
The new art form experienced its share of birthing pains as the so-called elites of society struggled to accept its revolutionary presence, while those from whose experiences it sprung cleaved onto this evolution in expression.
Reggae music is something that I think most of our people are ashamed of. I don't know why this should be, because it is coming from our roots. So much people are naked like them shame.
You agree? Truly? Sure, them just shame what truly belongs to them. What me say?
That's what we feel sometimes, do I?
Truly?
Well, I think that the rhythm is very good, and we like it a lot in Jamaica here.
As myself coming from New York, I only thought that I would dig soul music, just, you know, funky music. But as I hear the reggae scene, reggae music, I like it.
I like reggae music very much because, right, it shows a lot of culture, right? It tells from the plantation days, the type of music the people used to sing, right? And it sort of reveal what really was going on in that time, right? Up till now, right?
It's something you can't just sit down and listen to. You have, you know, you get the feeling to move.
Reggae music is a high-style music. Same way like how soul music belongs to CS, reggae music belongs to J. And my favorite artist is Pop Marley and the Wailers.
Probably because it's part of me, you know, and we create it. I don't know, but I think I enjoy playing reggae very much.
I really dig reggae music, but whenever time I hear reggae music, I feel like dancing, you know?
I'm in a dancing mood. Generations later, and the narrative retains echoes of past sentiments with the addition of new layers.
Reggae change, I can see like it changed a bit, you know, but still reggae beat. The old one is better. The new one, not much to me. I just love the old stuff.
When I'm working, I listen to my music, keep me going, you know.
If me go dance on them music then I'm play, me not really stay there.
It means everything. It's a part of Jamaicans' history, so it defines who we are as Jamaicans.
It means everything. It means love,
It means peace. It means understanding.
Reggae is a lifestyle. Reggae is a lifestyle, you know, Jamaican lifestyle. Yeah, even the lifestyle where you live, because even then tell you in the farm, you know, so you work hard every day, also hard every day in the music, so it's reggae. So, reggae is life, man, you know?
Reggae has become what some prophesied, a few decried, and almost none could truly imagine.
Reggae is no longer seen in the world as alternative music or third world music or new wave music.
It's doing good. I think there are a lot of guys who make a lot of money from it, but it is good. I think it may be probably next to tourism.
People know Jamaica not only for our sand, sun and beach, but they know us for our music. So when you go abroad and people be like, you're from Jamaica, you know Bob Marley, you know such and such, all because of our music. So reggae is our definition of Jamaica.
It is the strongest component in the brand Jamaica construct.
Reggae artists and those who specialize in its offshoot dancehall have won major musical awards. In life and past death, its greatest ambassador retains an undeniable international presence that has demanded respect from world-renowned publications. Since 2009, the entire month of February has been dedicated to its celebration at home. It was instrumental in garnering capital Kingston the designation by UNESCO as a creative city of music. And in 2017, the Jamaican government submitted a nomination dossier to have reggae inscribed on UNESCO's representative list of intangible cultural heritage for humanity.
This international protection instrument will ensure that the origins of reggae and its derivatives are appropriately documented and safeguarded for present and future generations. It is fascinating to reminisce on the early days when Jamaican music struggled to germinate, and the pioneers were classified in some cases as undesirables right here at home.
But even then, in its infancy,
well, I think that reggae is a good music, here to stay, and I think reggae music belongs to us, and we ought to show it, right?
And now,
reggae is hot commodity, and the world has embraced it, but we are proud to declare that we still own it.
Respect must be given whenever respect is due. One more time, let's give it up for Jamaica and reggae music.
Did you know that all employees are entitled to paid public holidays? Yes, under the Holidays with Pay order, enforced by the Ministry of Labor and Social Security, there are 4 categories of paid benefits: holidays with pay, sick leave with pay, gratuity, and sick leave benefit. And do you want to know who is entitled? Me and any employee except casual workers who have worked at least 110 days per year with the same employer. Also, if you work between 110 and 220 days, you earn 1 day of leave for every 22 days worked. Employees who work more than 220 days in a year are entitled to 2 weeks of vacation leave. And if you've been with the same employer for more than 10 years and have worked over 220 days in the year, you qualify for 3 weeks of vacation leave. So, know your rights and take your rest.
That brings us to the end of today's edition of Jamaica Magazine. We hope you found the features informative and inspiring. You can stay connected with us online at jis.gov.jm and on our social media channels. On behalf of the entire production team, I'm Jabertha Atkinson. Enjoy the rest of your weekend and thanks for watching.
This has been a production of the Jamaica Information Service, the voice of Jamaica.